The stock market trades shares of publicly traded corporations. Company performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment affect the value of these stocks. In an initial public offering, a corporation sells its stock to the public. Financials, industry trends, and investor demand determine share prices. Stock exchanges like the NYSE and Nasdaq allow public trading of shares. Brokers and online platforms let investors buy and sell stocks. Investors own a portion of the company's earnings and assets when they buy stocks. Company performance and other factors affect stock value. Supply and demand set stock prices. Stock prices rise and fall with demand. Fundamental, technical, and market sentiment analysis are used by investors. Stock markets help companies expand by raising capital. They help investors invest and grow their wealth. Stocks can lose value quickly, so investing in them is risky. Before investing in stocks, investors should research and understand the risks.